another video, guys. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Half Fast 719. Anyway, in the Megacab Dodge Ram, got to be doing a blower motor. Yesterday, 2 days ago, went to pick up my drive shaft. Came in. Anyway, the old one, single piece drive shaft was bad, so I had to return one under warranty. Anyway, so on the way home from picking it up, started the truck, and a blower motor. So if I go to 2 and I go to 3, barely blowing, and then shuts off. So shut it off, turn it back on. So ordered a new blower motor from the Vato Zone, and enough space. I'll change it in the shade. So let's just do so you can hear it. Basically it goes to 4. Instantly goes off. Struggling. Boom, off. Anyway, I'm gonna replace it and see if that fixes the problem. Alright, so it seems pretty straightforward. You just disconnect this plug from right there, little prong right there, push that, pull it down, and there's 3 screws. I already took one out, so there's one there, and one there, and the thing should come out. So you can either use a T25, hopefully, or you can use a flat-headed screwdriver. It does have a notch, so it's probably gonna fall out on me. It'll wedge itself in, but see if I can't find the issue wrong with this one. Probably the brushes, just like the other one on the Audi. So I'm not going to be able to tell unless I take it all apart. And yeah, let me just compare them. So obviously, old one I did pay. So it was originally $172, They had June savings, which was 20% off, so I saved $34 there. Shipping charge $10. It was free shipping, so they minus $10. And then I used my $20 card, so I paid $131.54. So this is the part number right there. You can pause it. 76934, 4 Seasons, FOUR Seasons. I'd already opened it, but just to make sure, because there were some reviews and it doesn't look like it's the right one. It either isn't the right one or I gotta use this plug. I'm assuming I gotta use this plug. Let's see. Same diameter. This is a Denso. Anyway, seems to be right. However, seems a lot cheaper made because this piece actually goes in, this piece doesn't go in. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's see if I can't throw it in. Unimotor, made in Canada. The Canada. Okay, let's stick it in here. What the heck? Well, let's see. Get a couple screws in, or a screw. You guys are watching whatever you're watching. Head. Dusty outside because my stupid retarded neighbor's blowing dirt around. I don't know why, but whatever, some people are just dumb. Anyway, just try to get stupid screws in here. Stay in there. Wish I had some different style of arm that can bend a different way. Anyway. If it's noisy and all this other junk, I'm gonna bring it back. Be like, this thing sucks. It doesn't seem like line up in there at all. For some stupid reason. The holes are off. It's the only way it can go. This might be the wrong one for some reason. It seems like the screw. Hold on, let me get it installed and come back. Alright guys, not sure if you can hear it. Let me pull the truck back in. I gotta go. off. That's on auto. So anyway, there you go. That's what we got. It's working. Truck's off. So I'll tear that motor apart. If I can't find anything wrong with it, then this will be the end of the video. If I do find something wrong with it, I'll add it before this clip. Anyway, alright guys, that's all I got for this video. Quick, easy little removal, install for the Megacab. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. And later.